Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I created these super simple geometric nails, complete with a little glitter placement. So if this is something you're interested in, then just keep on watching. So to complete this look, as always, you're going to need a base coat to protect your nails from staining. You're also going to need a white nail polish to make the colours in your gradient pop. Then for the gradient, you're going to need 3 colours of your choice. I went with a really mauvey purple, a peach and a green. Then of course you're going to need a fast dry top coat to seal your design in. Then for the stamping, we're going to be using Uberchic Collection 22 Plate 3, Mundu White. We're also going to be using my new crisp and clean Nail-Artisan Tiffany stamper. And I'm also going to be trialling for the first time the new Nail-Artisan scrapers. This one is the medium flexible. Then for the glitter placement, I'm going to be using the gold dots out of this glitter mix that I got from AliExpress. If I can find the exact one, I will leave it linked below. I'm also going to be using my crystal katana to place those, and to attach them to the nail, some edge nail glue. So now that all that blabbing's out of the way, let's jump right into the tutorial. So as always, you want to go ahead and apply a base coat to protect your nails. I'm then going to go and paint my nails 2 coats of Glisten Glow Wedding Gum White, which is a seriously epic white polish. It was in my favourites. And then to seal in the base, I'm going to go ahead and apply 1 coat of Sech Vite, and that just gives me a nice smooth base for the gradient. So my next step is to go ahead and use my detail brush and some pure acetone to clean up around the edges. And obviously you could leave this step to the very end, but I like to do it as I'm going along, and I just feel like it gives me less work to do at the end. So onto some liquid latex. I'm using Simply Peel. We're going to put this around our nail, and that's going to protect our skin from any mess that the gradient is obviously going to make. Then the next step is to go ahead and apply the colours to the sponge. I would advise using a non-latex sponge, and that way you don't have to worry about little pieces coming off. I didn't have any left, so obviously I had plenty of little pieces to pick off the nail. But yeah, just apply them to the nail and go ahead and sponge that onto the nail as many times as you like until you're happy with the opacity. I'm then going to go ahead and remove that liquid latex, do a little bit of cleanup and apply a fast dry top coat, and that will give me a nice smooth base for my stamping. As I mentioned before, we're going to be using Uberchic Collection 22 Plate 3 and this geometric design at the top. So I just like to apply an even layer of polish over the top of that image and gently scrape it down the whole design. And I'm just going to firmly apply that to the nail, making sure it's touching from the tip of the nail to the cuticle, from sidewall to sidewall. Then at this point I like to go ahead and do a little bit of cleanup, taking the bulk off, and whatever is left I will use tape to remove. Then once again I like to go ahead and add a fast dry top coat so the base is nice and smooth. Then using the edge nail glue and my crystal katana, I'm going to go ahead and attach the little gold dots to the middle of each of those circles. Then finally, to seal everything in, once again I'm going to add a layer of Sech Vite. And this is this design complete. As you can see, this one was super easy, but I really love how it turned out. So as always guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would totally appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Kylie. I am a complete nail polish addict, and on my channel you will find everything from nail art to swatches, reviews and the occasional haul. So if that's something you're interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!